Hey everyone! If your AutoCAD 2026 screen looks a little empty and you're missing those classic drop-down menus and icons, don't worry. You haven't lost your tools. They're just hidden. Today, I'm showing you the 2-minute fix to bring back the menu bar and your favorite toolbars so you can get back to drafting. Let's restore your workspace. Step 1. Restore the menu bar. M-E-N-U bar. First, let's bring back the classic File, Edit, View menus at the top. Type Menu Bar into the command line and hit Enter. Change the value from 0 to 1 and hit Enter again. You'll instantly see the old-school menu bar appear right above your ribbon. This is the gateway to all your other hidden tools. Step 2. Turn on the toolbars. Now that the menu bar is back, adding toolbars is easy. Click on the Tools menu at the top, navigate to Toolbars/AutoCAD. Here, you'll see a list of every available toolbar. I recommend starting with Draw, Modify, and Properties. Click them and they will snap to the sides of your screen. Step 3. Quick Add via right-click. You don't have to go through the menu every time. Once you have at least one toolbar visible, just right-click on any gray part of that toolbar. The same AutoCAD list will pop up, allowing you to quickly toggle more toolbars on or off without digging through menus. Step 4. Use the Dash toolbar command. If you prefer typing, there's a direct command for this. Type Dash toolbar, make sure to include the dash, and hit Enter. Type the name of the toolbar you want, like Standard, and hit Enter. Select Show from the options. This is a great trick if your menu bar is missing and you can't get it back yet. Step 5. Lock your workspace. Once you have everything perfectly arranged, make sure it stays that way. Click the workspace gear icon at the bottom right. Select Save Current As and give it a name, like My Classic Setup. Pro tip, type WS Settings and ensure Automatically Save Workspace Changes is checked, so you never have to do this again. And just like that, you've got your classic high productivity interface. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.